welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another great maths game for you. Now this maths game will help students practice and learn to compare and order numbers. Now, if this is the first time you're here, my name is Mr. K. My channel is specifically geared towards talking about all things that are education and also looking at activities that help improve student learning outcomes. So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I load up a new video. Excellent. Listen, we've got a bit to get through, so let's get things underway. Okay, today's game is called Rubbish. Now, I've seen it out there called Garbage and Trash. It's a great game for students to practice their ability to compare and order numbers. Now, this specific game is focused or geared towards 4, 5, 6-year-olds, but if you're looking for a different variation, stick around because after we've talked about how to play the game, we will be looking at different variations that could possibly help you. Excellent. Okay, so let's get into how to play Rubbish. Now, the first thing you'll need is a full deck of cards. You've got nothing taken out of this deck, so all the kings, the queens, the jokers, the jacks, and all the number cards are in this deck. Then what you would do is you would deal out the cards to the players. Now the players would get 10 cards each, in this case a row of 5 and a row of 5 for that player, and then another row of 5 and another row of 5 for that player. Now it's important to know that the cards in the deck sometimes have different meanings to what their face value shows you, and these are the different meaning cards. So the ace is a value of 1. The queen, the king, and the jack, they are all considered rubbish or garbage or trash cards. And finally, the joker is considered a wild card. It can take on any value in the game. Let's put those to a side and get a game happening. So we've dealt out those cards and the first player starts. So this is the first player and he turns over the first card and he's got a 10. Now this is his 1 position. So his position for his numbers would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's his 10 position. So he has to now take the 10 and put it into that position. Then he turns over the card. Now that is a duplicate value of what he's already got in his set of cards. So what happens is that he puts this back into the deck and he takes another card, not looking at it, and puts it in the vacant position. Then it becomes the next player's turn. So the next player turns over a card in their 1 position and it's a queen. Now a queen is a trash card, which means that straight away that person's turn stops. They get that card, they put it at the bottom of the deck. They get another card to replace that vacant position, not turning that card over. Then it becomes the next player's turn. And then this player turns over, for example, the number 4 position card, and it's a 3. Now, 1, 2, 3, that's their 3rd position. They take that, put the 3 card in the number 3 position, and then turn that one over, and it's a 3. It's a duplicate again. So what happens in this case, if you remember, we put that back in the deck, and they replace it with another card, not looking at what that value was. Then it becomes the next player's turn. Let's just say that the next player turns over the number 5 position card, and it's another trash card. So in that case, that card goes back into the deck and they choose another card from the top. Then it goes back to this player, and this player turns over a card in the number 6 position and it's an 8. They take that and they put that into their 8th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then they turn this one over and it's a 10. It's another duplicate of that one. So they put that underneath there. and then replace it with another card not looking at. Now this continues on until one player has in the right position all the cards they need. So to have all the cards in the right spot, a player should have number 1, an ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. So that's how you play the game. And the first person to get all those cards in the right position is the winner. Okay, in regards to variations for this game, there are a few things that you could do. One thing is that you could get students to actually order the numbers backwards. Another thing that you could do is instead of like using one card in each spot, maybe use 2 cards in each spot. And what you could do then is it opens up the ability to maybe do fractions instead or 2-digit numbers. So there's a couple of ideas for variations. Now, if you've got an idea for a variation or if you've got a different variation that your kids play, please put it in the comments down below and that'll be greatly appreciated by everyone. Beyond that, if you haven't found exactly what you're looking for with this game, don't worry, stick around because later on I'm going to be sharing with you my link to my maths game playlist. And I'm pretty sure that whatever you're looking for, you'll be able to find it there. Excellent. Listen, thanks for watching today. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching one of my videos. If you've enjoyed the content or you just want to show your support, please just click the subscribe button down below. You hitting the subscribe button lets me know that you'd like to see more content from me. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time. Subscribe.